I will never look at seaweed the same way again after learning this. Seaweed, often overlooked and underestimated, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients and benefits that can transform your skin and overall health. Imagine walking along the beach, seeing those green and brown strands washed up on the shore, and realizing that they hold the key to radiant, glowing skin. It's like discovering a hidden treasure right in front of you. Seaweed has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal and nutritional properties, but its potential for skincare is truly remarkable. Ready to unlock radiant skin? Imagine waking up every morning to a complexion that looks fresh, youthful, and vibrant. The secret lies in the ocean's depths, where seaweed thrives, absorbing a wealth of minerals and vitamins from the seawater. These nutrients are then transferred to your skin, providing it with the nourishment it needs to stay healthy and glowing. The journey to radiant skin starts with understanding the incredible benefits that seaweed offers. Seaweed isn't just for sushi. While we often associate seaweed with delicious sushi rolls and Japanese cuisine, its uses extend far beyond the kitchen. In fact, seaweed can be a game-changer in your skincare routine. The same properties that make it a nutritious food also make it an excellent ingredient for skincare products. From face masks to serums, seaweed can be found in a variety of beauty products designed to enhance your skin's health and appearance. This ocean treasure is packed with vitamins and minerals that do wonders for your skin. Seaweed is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as essential minerals like iodine, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients work together to nourish and rejuvenate your skin, promoting a healthy, youthful glow. Vitamin A helps to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines, while vitamin C brightens the complexion and boosts collagen production. Vitamin E provides antioxidant protection, and vitamin K helps to reduce dark circles and puffiness. Think hydration, anti-aging, and even acne-fighting properties. Seaweed is a natural humectant, meaning it helps to draw moisture into the skin and keep it hydrated. This is especially beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin. Additionally, seaweed contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it effective in treating acne and other skin conditions. Its anti-aging benefits come from its ability to boost collagen production and protect the skin from environmental damage. Rich in antioxidants, seaweed helps to protect your skin from the harsh environment and keeps it looking young and fresh. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. By incorporating seaweed into your skincare routine, you can help to neutralize these free radicals and protect your skin from premature aging. The result is a complexion that looks youthful, radiant, and healthy. It's like nature's own skincare cocktail. And guess what? You don't have to rely solely on store-bought products to reap the benefits of seaweed. You can create your own DIY skincare treatments at home using fresh or dried seaweed. For example, you can make a hydrating face mask by blending seaweed with honey and yogurt, or a soothing toner by steeping seaweed in hot water and letting it cool. The possibilities are endless, and the results are truly impressive. It's super easy to incorporate into your diet. Not only is seaweed beneficial for your skin when applied topically, but it also works wonders from the inside out. By adding seaweed to your diet, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support healthy skin. Seaweed is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to smoothies and snacks. Its unique flavor and texture make it a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Sprinkle it on your salad and enjoy the added crunch and flavor. Seaweed can be used as a topping for salads, adding a burst of umami flavor and a satisfying crunch. It's a simple and easy way to incorporate this superfood into your diet and reap its many benefits. Plus, it's a great way to add variety to your meals and keep your taste buds excited. Blend it in your smoothie for a nutrient-packed boost. Adding seaweed to your smoothie is a great way to start your day with a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals. You can use powdered seaweed or fresh seaweed, depending on your preference. Blend it with your favorite fruits and vegetables for a delicious and nutritious drink that will keep you energized and glowing all day long. Or just snack on some seaweed chips. Seaweed chips are a tasty and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of seaweed. They are crispy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. You can find them at most health food stores or make your own at home by baking seaweed sheets with a little bit of oil and seasoning. They make a great snack for when you're on the go or just need a quick pick-me-up. Plus, the iodine in seaweed boosts your thyroid, giving you more energy and better metabolism, which means healthier skin from the inside out. Iodine is an essential mineral that supports thyroid function, which in turn regulates your metabolism and energy levels. A healthy thyroid is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being, and seaweed is one of the best natural sources of iodine. By incorporating seaweed into your diet, you can support your thyroid and enjoy the benefits of increased energy and improved skin health. So, why not give seaweed a try? With so many benefits for your skin and overall health, there's no reason not to incorporate this amazing superfood into your routine. Whether you use it in your skincare products, add it to your meals, or enjoy it as a snack, seaweed is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can help you achieve radiant, glowing skin. Your skin will thank you, and you'll be glowing in no time. The journey to radiant skin starts with small, simple changes. By incorporating seaweed into your daily routine, you can nourish your skin from the inside out and enjoy a complexion that looks healthy, youthful, and vibrant. So go ahead, give seaweed a try, and see the difference it can make for your skin. Unlock the secret to radiant skin with seaweed. You won't regret it. Embrace the power of this ocean treasure and discover the many ways it can enhance your beauty and well-being. From its hydrating and anti-aging properties to its ability to boost your metabolism and energy levels, seaweed is truly a skincare superstar. So why wait? Start incorporating seaweed into your routine today and unlock the secret to glowing, radiant skin. You won't regret it. Welcome to Chapter 2. The nutritional benefits of seaweed for skin. As we dive deeper into the wonders of seaweed, it's time to explore the specific nutrients that make this ocean treasure such a powerhouse for your skin. Imagine a treasure chest filled with vitamins and minerals, each one playing a crucial role in enhancing your skin's health and appearance. Let's start with vitamin A. Known for its ability to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines, vitamin A is a key player in maintaining youthful skin. Seaweed is rich in this essential vitamin, offering a natural way to keep your skin smooth and supple. Next, we have vitamin C. This vitamin is a skincare superstar, renowned for its brightening properties and its ability to boost collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic, and a regular dose of vitamin C from seaweed can help you achieve a radiant complexion. Vitamin E is another vital nutrient found in seaweed. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from environmental damage and free radicals. Think of it as a shield, guarding your skin against the elements and keeping it looking young and vibrant. And let's not forget vitamin K. This often overlooked vitamin is excellent for reducing dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. Incorporating seaweed into your skincare routine can help you achieve a well-rested, refreshed look. Seaweed is also packed with essential minerals like iodine, calcium, and magnesium. Iodine supports healthy thyroid function, which in turn regulates your metabolism and energy levels, both crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Calcium helps with skin regeneration, while magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin. Imagine a video montage showing close-ups of seaweed in its natural habitat, followed by images of fresh and dried seaweed being incorporated into various skincare products. Picture the transformation from dull, tired skin to a glowing, youthful complexion, all thanks to the incredible nutrients found in seaweed. These nutrients work in harmony to nourish and rejuvenate your skin, making seaweed a truly remarkable ingredient in your skincare arsenal. Whether you're using seaweed-infused products or creating your own DIY treatments at home, the benefits are undeniable. So why not embrace the power of seaweed and give your skin the nutrients it deserves? With its rich array of vitamins and minerals, seaweed is a natural and effective way to achieve a radiant, glowing complexion. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on how to incorporate seaweed into your skincare routine. Your journey to healthier, more vibrant skin continues. Welcome to Chapter 3, How to Incorporate Seaweed into Your Skincare Routine. Now that we've uncovered the incredible nutritional benefits of seaweed, it's time to explore practical ways to include this ocean treasure in your daily skincare regimen. First, let's talk about seaweed-infused skincare products. From cleansers and toners to serums and moisturizers, there are a plethora of options available. Look for products that list seaweed extract as a primary ingredient. These products are designed to deliver the nutrients directly to your skin, making it easy to reap the benefits without any extra effort. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, DIY seaweed treatments are a fantastic option. You can create a simple seaweed face mask at home using dried seaweed powder. Mix a tablespoon of seaweed powder with water or aloe vera gel to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask can help detoxify your skin, reduce inflammation, and enhance your natural glow. Another great way to incorporate seaweed into your routine is through seaweed baths. Adding seaweed to your bathwater can help soothe and hydrate your skin while providing a relaxing spa-like experience. Simply place dried seaweed in a muslin bag and let it steep in your bathwater for 20-30 minutes. As you soak, your skin will absorb the beneficial nutrients, leaving it soft and rejuvenated. Don't forget about seaweed-infused oils and serums. These concentrated products can be used as part of your nightly skincare routine. Apply a few drops of seaweed oil or serum to your face before bedtime to allow your skin to absorb the nutrients overnight. This can help repair and regenerate your skin while you sleep, ensuring you wake up with a refreshed, glowing complexion. For a quick and easy boost, consider using seaweed-based sheet masks. These masks are soaked in nutrient-rich seaweed extracts and are perfect for a mid-week pampering session. Simply apply the sheet mask to your face, relax for 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove it to reveal instantly hydrated and revitalized skin. As you can see, there are numerous ways to incorporate seaweed into your skincare routine. Whether you prefer ready-made products or DIY treatments, the key is consistency. Regular use of seaweed-based skincare can lead to lasting improvements in your skin's health and appearance. Imagine a video montage showing various seaweed skincare products, DIY treatments being prepared, and individuals enjoying seaweed baths and applying seaweed masks. Picture the transformation from everyday routines to moments of self-care and indulgence, all centered around the remarkable benefits of seaweed. So, why not start today? Embrace the power of seaweed and discover the difference it can make in your skincare routine. Stay tuned for more tips and insights as we continue our journey to healthier, more vibrant skin. Your ocean-inspired glow awaits. Welcome to Chapter 4, Scientific Studies on Seaweed and Skin Health. While we've explored the practical benefits of seaweed in skincare, it's essential to back these claims with scientific evidence. Let's delve into recent research that highlights the remarkable effects of seaweed on skin health. First, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that seaweed extracts, particularly those rich in fucoidan, can significantly improve skin elasticity and hydration. The research showed that participants who used seaweed-infused products experienced a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Another groundbreaking study from Marine Drugs revealed that seaweed contains potent antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, such as phlorotannins and carotenoids, help to neutralize harmful molecules, reducing oxidative stress and preventing premature aging. Moreover, research conducted by Food Chemistry demonstrated that seaweed polysaccharides have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness, making seaweed an excellent ingredient for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. In a clinical trial published in Phytotherapy Research, seaweed extracts were found to enhance the skin's natural barrier function. This means that seaweed can help retain moisture, protect against environmental pollutants, and improve overall skin resilience. Lastly, a comprehensive review in Marine Biotechnology highlighted the potential of seaweed in promoting wound healing. The bioactive compounds in seaweed can accelerate the repair process of damaged skin, making it a valuable addition to post-treatment skincare routines. These scientific studies collectively underscore the powerful benefits of seaweed for skin health. By incorporating seaweed-based products into your routine, you can harness the natural, scientifically proven properties of this ocean treasure to achieve healthier, more vibrant skin. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of skincare, uncovering more secrets and tips to help you achieve your best skin yet. The science is clear. Seaweed is not just a trend, it's a skincare revolution. Voiceover. Welcome to Chapter 5. Testimonials and Success Stories. Now that we've explored the science behind seaweed's incredible benefits for the skin, let's hear from real people who have experienced these results firsthand. Voiceover. Meet Sarah, a 32-year-old teacher who struggled with dry, flaky skin for years. Sarah: I've tried countless products, but nothing worked like seaweed. After just a few weeks of using a seaweed-infused moisturizer, my skin feels hydrated and smooth. It's like a miracle. Voiceover. And this is John, a fitness enthusiast who battled with acne and inflammation. John: Seaweed has been a game changer for me. The anti-inflammatory properties really helped calm my skin. I feel more confident and happier with how my skin looks now. Voiceover. Countless others have shared similar success stories, like Emily, a busy mom who found relief from redness and irritation, or David, who noticed a significant reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Emily: I was skeptical at first, but the results speak for themselves. My skin is less red and much smoother. David: I've always been self-conscious about my wrinkles, but seaweed products have made a noticeable difference. It's like I've turned back the clock. Voiceover. These testimonials are more than just words. They are real-life transformations. Seaweed has helped so many people achieve healthier, more vibrant skin, and it can do the same for you. Voiceover. Join the seaweed skincare revolution and experience the natural, powerful benefits for yourself. Your journey to glowing skin starts now. Background music fades gently. Voiceover. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights and tips on achieving your best skin yet.